Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Monsoon season have started and there are different types of diseases seen in rainy season like cold coryza, cough, diarrhea, fever, malaria, jaundice and joint pain. Changes in environment. Shifting from hot summer to cold, damp, rainy weather brings different types of changes in the body. For those who are already suffering from arthritis or joint pain, their complaints get increased due to cold, rainy weather. A proper homeopathic treatment with correct homeopathic medicine will surely reduce these complaints. So friends, let's see which homeopathic medicines with their indications will be helpful for joint pain in rainy season. Friends, there are many medicines useful for joint pain in rainy season, but in this video we are going to select and discuss top 3 medicines which will be useful for joint pain in rainy season in maximum cases. So let's get started. But before starting this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, like this video and share this video. Friends, let's discuss our first medicine, Dulcamara. Dulcamara is useful in the cases where joint pain is caused due to getting wet in rain, or whenever patient has exposure to cold air in rainy weather. Friends, here sudden changes in the weather like damp rainy weather brings on joint pain. Sometimes walking with bare feet in water increases joint pain in these patients. Friends, Dulcamara is also useful when patient lives in damp places or works in a damp places and have the complaint of joint pain. Friends, Dulcamara is indicated whenever there is swelling of joint with redness seen. There is severe aching type of pain with bruised feeling all over the body. The joint are very much sensitive to touch and stiffness of the joint is increased. Patient has difficulty in moving these joints. The complaints are worse in evening and at night, and also in cold, damp, rainy weather. And patient feels better by application of warmth. In a dry weather, friends, we have already posted a video on homeopathic medicine Dulcamara visual drug picture on our YouTube channel. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. Friends, second best medicine is rhododendron, and rhododendron is useful in the cases of joint pain whenever the complaints are caused before the approach of a thunderstorm or windy stormy weather increases the complaints of patient. Friends, here is one of the keynote symptoms seen. The patient is very sensitive to the storm and weather changes. Rhododendron is a right-sided medicine and it is indicated whenever the right side of the body is affected more. Rhododendron is indicated whenever there is swelling of joint with tearing type of pain seen. Sometimes patient also complains that the pain is shifting type of pain, that is from one joint to the another joint, with severe stiffness of joint and of the back. Friends, here one of the keynote symptom is seen that during joint pain, the pain is so severe that patient cannot sleep unless the legs are crossed. Friends, rhododendron is also useful in the cases of gouty conditions associated with rheumatism. In rhododendron, joint pain is felt better by wrapping up the affected joint and by application of the warmth. Friends, Our third medicine for joint pain in rainy season is Rustox. Rustox is a right-sided medicine and it is useful in the cases of joint pain whenever patient experiences severe pain in muscles, tendons and bones. Friends, here there is a keynote symptom, that is patient experiences typical type of pain in muscles and tendon. The pain is so severe that patient feels the muscles or tendons were torn from its attachment. And whenever the pain is in the bones, that is the pain in the joint is so severe that patient feels the bones were scraped with the knife. Along with this, there is severe stiffness and rigidity of the joints. Joint pain in Rustox patient is worse, especially early in the morning or first moving the joint after rest. For example, friends, if patient is sitting on a chair for about half an hour and when he tries to get up and walk, at that time for the first time he experiences severe pain, and this pain is then relieved by continuous movement. That is, when patient continues to walk, then the pain is reduced, and also this pain is also reduced by application of warmth. This is the reason, friends, why Rustox patient is always restless, because patient cannot stay in one position as it increases the complaints. Whatever may be the complaint patient is suffering from, patient continuously changes the position frequently to obtain the relief from pain. Rustox is also useful in the cases of joint pain whenever the complaints are caused especially from wetting in the rain or bathing in a river or maybe in the lake, or patient lies on a damp ground in the cold, wet, rainy weather. Also, those who are handling the clay, that is, the patient who have an occupation of making the pots, that is clay pots, these patients suffer from joint pain in cold, wet, rainy weather. In these cases, when Rustox is prescribed, it gives wonderful results. So friends, this is the video on top 3 medicines for joint pain in rainy season. Leave your valuable feedback in the comment section given below. Like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel to meet again with another interesting topic on homeopathy. Thank you for watching.